Hi all, hope you're learning well. So today's videos is all about Dataflow. Now before coming to the Dataflow, you have to understand what this topic is all about and how it can help you. So it has a maximum bandwidth with maximum cost optimization also. For example, banking, right? You have a two option to debit or credit the amount, right? You go to the cash counter offline. Okay, you deposit the amount. Second option, you have NEFT, right? You make it online and you make the payment. Now just think about the infrastructure, how they manage this all, both the credit and debit from two different platforms, online and offline. So for the team, the banking team, they have must be a banking technical team, right? One team might be having a pipeline, you can say, for offline transaction maintaining, and one team must be having a online transaction. Two different teams doing the same job, two different infrastructure. If I ask you, can you merge this both infrastructure in a single platform? Yes, I'm talking about. If you talk about the cash flow, right, it's kind of batch job, right? And if you're doing NEFT, it's kind of online job. So a platform where we have a two different team, one is doing the batch processing or near real time. So in that case, how you can merge both the platform? What is the solution for that? Mainly this is what the major challenge where we have a two different infrastructure and making two different pipeline for the same job. So today if you ask me the solution, can I run simple online job, batch job on a same platform? Is this possible? That is the question, right? So today this is called unified platform, a platform where you can run both the job, online and offline, and you can understand how much it can give you the bandwidth in terms of cost optimization. For example, just understand this. You have a main saloon, you have a female saloon, right? Now we club together and you make it unisex saloon. So what is that? A simple one shop where both the male, female coming for the service. Now you reduce the manpower, right? Your infrastructure costing you have managed, so it's best. You can, what the two different infrastructure cost, you can minimize with a single infrastructure and you can manage your other things, right, in business. So it will help you to grow. So in same way, technically, if you want an infrastructure which can give you the unisex platform, or you say that unified platform, Dataflow is the platform where we are doing. So it's mainly designed, it's built on Apache Beam, and here we are doing multiple operations. So we will see in the next video how to make a job on Dataflow, how we can create the pipeline, and of course there are certain limitations, right? So we'll talk about this pipeline, how it works in the next video. Thank you.